Jazz. Go Jazz. It's Jazz. Go, go, girl. Go, 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 girl. Go, 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 girl.
Alright, you guys, so we are cooking. Well, actually, Janiqua is cooking.
I'm cooking.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead.
So today we are cooking Philly cheesesteaks. Never made them before. Looks kind of easy. And French fries in the air fryer.
Ooh.
A new air
So
fryer.
it's gonna float in air and it's gonna come back as French fries.
I guess we'll see, right?
Oh snap!
I don't know.
Oh snap! Hey RJ!
What up, RJ? Hello. All right.
What's
So,
up,
we'll be back with the prep.
Oh wait, I'm gonna put the ingredients down below in the description box, okay? So make sure y'all tune into that, alright? If you wanna know exactly, this is Janiqua's recipe. So if you don't like it, hit her up. Guys, I thought she was gonna put, hold on, let me get the, I thought she was gonna put baby food, cause it looks like baby food, but it's just garlic.
Just garlic. That's all.
It's just garlic. Oh, the lighting. Okay, whatever.
So the first thing I'm about to do is prep the bread. Well, prep the garlic butter for the bread. So look, I'm not using any type. Look, I cook with my ancestors. I don't use no type of measuring. Whatever. Whenever my ancestor tells me, "Child, stop," guess what? I stop.
I be saying the same thing.
So this is just some butter and some garlic. I love garlic. So we're gonna have we'll put a lot of garlic in there, and we're just gonna kind of whip it real good. And what I'm gonna do with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and prep this now. But what I'm doing with this is when I'm ready to brown the bread, I'm just gonna spread it on there to make like a garlic bread. I don't know. For the Phillies. This is a green bell pepper, y'all. I hope y'all know what a green bell pepper is, where to get it. I don't like that stuff either. I'm gonna cut the green bell peppers out. And listen, no negative comments because I do shit the way I want to do shit. I don't have the most expensive knives. This is a very cheap knife from Walmart. So don't judge me. Okay, I'm just trying to make it. I'm just a young adult that's broke.
You better follow my YouTube account because
Go ahead and market yourself, baby.
Say you better.
You let them know. Let them know where to find you at, who you are.
my name is Nyla, and just say the Nyla and Ayla show if you have a remote. But I'm just a small kid. I'm just 7.
I'm just a small kid.
But
Yes, girl.
But you have to subscribe and hit the tiny bell and the thumbs up. Okay, bye.
So right now we have a white onion. Why did I get the white onion? Because the little sign in public said white onions are good for salads and steak. So
Yep, she's right. She's right. She's right. She's right.
How you know you wasn't there?
and another one. And another one. We have bread. Like I said, I bought everything from Publix.
No, you did not.
Like I said, I bought everything from Publix.
Okay,
So remember that garlic butter that I made earlier? This is what we're using it for.
Ooh, it looks like butter.
It is.
It's not as butter. Well, got it.
And we're just gonna smear it because the more, I don't know. Me, I like my shit toasted. Can I say that?
No.
Okay, I like my stuff toasted. Okay, so remember in this yellow bowl, we put the peppers and the white onions. This is what we're doing. So I have the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, heating up for 30 seconds. Why 30 seconds? Because I'm very impatient and I'm not about to wait for this thing to heat up. So hopefully in the midst of me talking, it heats up. And if not, then this is gonna take a little minute for my stuff to cook. So we're just gonna put it in there. And right now, we're just gonna let our peppers and our onions cook till they caramelize.
Big word.
Big word. That's a cooking word, you know.
What does that mean?
I can tell you what it looks like. It just, I don't know, like candied onions. I don't know. It gets brown and it becomes edible for me because I can't eat onions like this. Because I love seasoning. I'm a seasoning fanatic. What I'm about to do is kind of season it up just a little bit. And just,
What is that now?
this is pepper. This is black peppercorns, and I'm just grinding my pepper up, and I'm just putting just a tad bit in my
here. What y'all cooking up?
and I'm just putting cheesesteaks. And then over here we have our steak, the best part, literally the best part.
Best.
Philly.
Best.
The best.
Best.
So we're just gonna cut the meat.
Oh, like a mama.
Alright, you guys, remember I told y'all that we was gonna caramelize our onions and our peppers? Look
I
at
don't
this.
like onions because I like them.
Look at that, that's gorgeous. Now this is that, you see all this right here? Caramelized. Now it can get, I like it a little bit more. So I'm gonna let it cook just a tad bit more, but basically this is caramelization. Okay, so I'm just gonna season my meat with just some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Garlic powder. Why garlic powder? I put garlic powder on everything. I put this on everything. We got the beef. We got the heat. Bars. Bars. And we're just gonna, oh! That's the one I wasn't scared of. I'm not cooking it. Well, it's gonna be well, but it's gonna be kind of medium well. I'm gonna add the onions and the peppers when it's kind of medium-ish. So we're gonna let that cook. I'm gonna wash my hands, wash the bowl, and we'll be back. Okay, so I just added the onions and the peppers. I definitely want to incorporate all that flavor into the meat. So I didn't wait till my meat was well done because, first of all, who likes well done meat? I really do wish that my you don't know how to eat meat. I want y'all to see that juice. So when that thing hits that bread, this is pure flavor right here. Pure flavor. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I had to separate the some of the meat because my sister doesn't eat. Shut up. Shut up. So my sister doesn't eat cheese. Weird, I know. So what I'm doing, I separated some for her. And now I'm just like putting cheese. You're supposed to separate it. I don't have a big enough pan to separate. I don't have those type of utensils. So this is kind of like the broke way to make Phillies, I guess you can say.
The what way?
The broke way.
The what way?
The broke way.
The what way?
The right way. So y'all, how does everything taste?
Good. Yeah, good.
The bread is good.
What? She like it.
It's a little bit good, guys, but it's a little bit bad.
How's it a little bad?
It's super good! Somebody subscribe.
Well, you guys, I think it's good. I like it.
I hope you get back to the Jasmine show.
Right. So listen to her. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. She got a YouTube channel as well. Her and her sister's called the Nyla and Ava Show. Check that out. I'll put that down below in the description box as well. Okay. Toodaloo. Bye. 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 Bye.